Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add photo gallery apps in Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over in here to the apps, search in here for photo gallery. So once you have searched for that, click on this search photo gallery in Shopify App Store, and then this will open a new tab right here wherein you can see some photo gallery apps that you can. So for me, what I can recommend you to do is you can just look for free app right here that you can choose from, as well as this free application or this application that is a free plan right here. So you can also just try to filter them out whenever you want, and then just choose which one is for you. So for example, we can use this tiny SEO image right here, as well as this lookfy gallery that can serve as a lookbook. So when you click on this one, head over and then just try to install this specific application. And then this will open a new tab wherein it will ask you for access or successfully integrate this application to your Shopify. So click on install right here. And then this will install this specific application to your Shopify dashboard. So as you can see, this will load like this. So you can just wait for that to finish the loading process in here. So as you can see, this is what it will look like. And over and click on activate right here. Then this will open a new tab where it will open your Shopify editor, and you should be able to be prompted to enable the app embed. So in here, you can see that we have opened the app embed. So just try to unclick this. And then from in there, just click it again. Then once it's been activated, head over and click on save. Now once you have saved the progress, head over in here on your store. Click on I have done it. Then as you can see, there's two steps for you to do this. Head over and create your first gallery. Click on this new gallery right here. And then for this one, select the type you want to build. For me, I'll shop the look. And then in here, I'll just put in here this specific templates that they have. So for example, I can use this clothing fashion that I have. So first for me, I'll just choose this one. And then I'll just name it lookbook. So I'll say lookbook for men. And then I can also display the title and description for me. So after that, click on save. And then once I have done that, as you can see, this will load into a new page. So once it's load on a new page, I can see that it's look like. So from in here, just head over it and add in here some images. So for example, let's add an image right here. Let's choose this one as well as this one and this one. Click on open. Then as you can see, it will upload itself right here. So this is just the placeholder image. So let's remove this. And as you can see, let's just put this right. Now in here, just put in here the normal order or reverse order and then choose which type of gallery column you want. So for me, I'll just choose this column carousel. And then in here, let's just adapt the image, the product image, adapt the image as well. Column spacing is small, and then the button can be dark, or it can be something like this right here. So for me, I'll just choose a dark one. And the carousel can be global, or this one's right here. So in here, this is what it will look like. So when you click on this one, there's another tool that they have. So as you can see, this one looks like. So what you can do is click on same gallery right here. We'll click on publish right here. As you can see, this will open in here a new tab. And then we should be able to see this new gallery that you have created on your actual Shopify store. So once it's done the loading process, we should be able to be added in the apps right here. So click on apps right here. And we have here this page. So let's click on this app that we have. And then just get the gallery ID. So we have here the actual gallery. So just in here, in order to publish it, just head over and embed the code for this one, or just select a page wherein you want to add this. So for example, you can add this here page right here, click on select, then click on publish, or you can also use this app embed as well as collection or product right here when you want to publish it. So for example, for me, I'll publish it as well as the example t-shirt app. And from there, you can also publish it on the collection and also on the embed tool right here. So head over and save this right here. And once you have saved this, let's head over right now to our product page. And then we have here the product that we have. This is the product. And then we should be able to add in here a section. So click on add section, click on apps, click on this look by gallery, and then it should be added right here. And this is what it looks like. Just get in here the dynamic source using the meta field, and then just add in here in order to successfully add this specific gallery to your page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.